This strawberry lemonade electrolyte powder mixes easily into water and delivers noticeably faster hydration than plain beverages when you are run down or dehydrated. The balance of minerals and modest sugar content feels thoughtfully tuned, helping replace what you lose from sweating, stomach bugs, or long travel without tasting overly sweet. Unlike many sports drinks, it is formulated to prioritize fluid absorption rather than just flavor, which I find makes a real difference during intense heat or exercise. The single-serving packets are extremely convenient to stash in a bag, desk, or suitcase, so you are not tied to carrying bulky bottles everywhere. The strawberry lemonade flavor is surprisingly natural and refreshing, making it much easier to get children and adults alike to actually finish a full serving. Coming from a long-established medical nutrition brand, it offers a level of reliability and consistency that inspires confidence when you really need effective rehydration.